Sergey Young, The Science and Technology of Growing Young, an insider's guide to the breakthroughs that will dramatically extend our lifespan, and what you can do right now. Welcome to an exhilarating exploration of the future of human longevity, as brought to life in Sergey Young's groundbreaking book, The Science and Technology of Growing Young. Immerse yourself in this riveting summary, where you'll discover the latest breakthroughs that promise to dramatically extend our lifespan and, more importantly, learn how to harness these innovations for yourself. From cutting-edge diagnostic technology to precision medicine, genetic engineering, and the exciting world of bionics, this is your insider's guide to the longevity revolution. Absorb not only the fascinating future of living even longer and healthier lives, but also learn how to make the right choices today in order to preserve your health for the future.
The Longevity Revolution. Imagine living for 200 years, looking like you're only 25. Thanks to the Longevity Revolution, this might become a reality. Advances in science have allowed us to live longer, and soon we'll be able to become biologically younger. The book delves into the potential of the longevity revolution, explaining how progress in agriculture, healthcare, and technology has led to increased life expectancy. With developments such as the Human Genome Project and artificial intelligence, we're on the cusp of a new era of unprecedented longevity. Prepare to have your mind open to a future where living for 150 or 200 years is not only plausible but achievable. So, put aside your skepticism and get ready to learn about how the longevity revolution will change your life. The Diagnostic Revolution. Health systems are overwhelmed, and millions of people suffer undiagnosed illnesses. However, emerging diagnostic technology is about to change this. From wearables and portable devices to machine learning algorithms, medical startups are developing tools to help identify diseases early on, tailoring treatments to individuals. Additionally, the use of big data will offer a comprehensive snapshot of a patient's health, including genetics, lifestyle choices, and environmental factors. The result is precision medicine, which will revolutionize healthcare by preventing diseases before they even occur. By adopting proactive approaches, doctors will save many lives. Tailored treatment with the help of AI. Teresa, suffering from stage 3 breast cancer, was out of options until doctors from Moore's Cancer Center used AI to sequence and analyze the DNA in her cancer cells. With that information, they searched the database for available cancer drugs and pinpointed the one that would be most effective, which led to the recommendation of an experimental immunotherapy drug. It worked wonders, and after 4 months, Teresa was in total remission. The key message here is the use of AI in precision medicine to find tailored solutions for each patient. This approach has already been used to tailor-make drugs for specific patients and can also have a preventive function. While computers won't replace doctors, they will allow medical professionals to tailor treatment to each patient's needs, lifestyle, and genetic makeup, leading to more effective and personalized medical care. Reprogramming the human genome. Altering DNA to cure incurable diseases. The advancements in genetic engineering allow scientists and doctors to modify human DNA, making it possible to cure incurable diseases such as sickle cell anemia and HIV. Using a protein called Cas9, gene therapy involves snipping out viruses and introducing healthy cells in our bodies. CAR-T cell therapy, an example of such gene therapy, has shown impressive results in curing pediatric leukemia and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma even in patients otherwise deemed terminal. Though the technology's high pricing is a concern, it is very likely that diseases such as cancer will become a thing of the past. The question remains, can gene therapy further improve our lives? The Bionic Future. Science fiction has long predicted our technological advancements as well as our cultural anxieties. The line between natural and artificial in our bodies will continue to blur, as we upgrade ourselves with artificial parts. Organ transplantation may soon become unnecessary with companies like Ligenesis and Stratigraft developing the technology to grow organs in your body and new skin in a lab. Engineers at Newcastle University have created 3D printed corneas, and EU.S company named Second Sight has designed a device that can restore some sight to those with total vision loss. Technologies that were once science fiction are becoming our everyday reality, leading to a bionic future where we may all become part machine. Creating immortal avatars. A glimpse into futuristic technologies that blur the line between real and fake, raising moral questions about our existence and identity. In a viral video, a 7-year-old girl celebrates her birthday with her mother. What seems like a real moment between a mother and daughter is, in fact, a mirage of the real girl who died from a terminal illness. Vive Studios created a virtual reality version of the girl, using a 3D scanner and interview recordings, to allow her mother to experience interactions with her daughter's hologram. The technology raising the question, can we live forever, thanks to these inventions? What is the point where the real and the fake become indistinguishable? Anders Sandberg, a researcher at the Oxford Future of Humanity Institute, believes that whole brain emulation is plausible. It involves using artificial intelligence, AI, to identify impulses in our brains and recreate them, allowing for digital brains that can act, think and feel like the real one. These implanted digital clones can be upgraded similar to the upgrades given to cars, even taking on the identical physical form of its human counterpart. Artificial intelligence advancements into human cloning creates ethical dilemmas to contemplate. Questions like, can the avatar be considered a representation of oneself, and, can the avatar commit crimes, become more pressing as we unravel the future of a possibly immortal digital world. The future will involve complicated moral questions that cannot be resolved overnight. The controversy of immortality. The idea of extending human life presents environmental and ethical worries. But, as history has shown, we cannot predict the future. Inventions like lab-grown meat and DIY diagnostics may eliminate environmental devastation and make healthcare more democratic. Instead of cutting innovation, we should ensure that its benefits are shared with everyone. Staying alive, a guide to longevity. While we wait for the longevity revolution to fully take shape, there are steps we can take now to stay healthy and reap its benefits. Regular checkups, healthy eating, exercise, avoiding vices, and taking care of mental health are all key to longevity. Getting screened for cancer regularly, especially pancreatic cancer for men over 40, and watching what we put in our bodies can greatly reduce the risk of death. Eating a Mediterranean diet can also dramatically improve our overall health. Lastly, exercising for just 15 to 20 minutes a day can reduce our risk of dying by 35%. Taking care of our mental health through good sleep, meditation, and spending time with loved ones is also vital. We have the power to maintain our own health and increase the chances of living a long and healthy life.
As we reach the culmination of our insightful journey through the science and technology of growing young, it's clear that there has never been a more thrilling time to be alive. The longevity revolution is on the horizon, with advancements in diagnostics, precision medicine, genetic engineering, and bionic technology set to redefine what it means to grow older. The power to extend and enhance our lives lies not only in the hands of science but also within ourselves, as we make conscious choices to live healthily and stay informed about the latest discoveries. Embrace this remarkable future with an open mind, trusting in the power of technology to transform our lives for the better and making every effort to ensure that these benefits are shared by all.